Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to identify plants around you. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store into your device and just simply tap the search icon at the bottom and search bar at the top and search for picture this. So guys, this application will help us identify a plant and make sure to download it into your device and just simply open it up. Now, from here, this will be the homepage of the application, and just make sure to sign in into an account. And in order for you to use this app, just simply select the picture icon here on the bottom. And now from here, guys, I have a plant over here that we could use to identify, and just simply take a picture of a plant. And now from here, let's wait for the app to identify this plant. And as you can see, it has identified us that this is a China rose plant. And as you can see, you will have here some sample pictures and make sure it is very identical in order for you to understand more. And you will have here an overview about this plant and the basic info, as you can see. And now you will also have here the care, as you can see in the middle on the tab. And you will have here a care condition and how to take care of it. And you will have here as well explore. And from here, you could understand more about this plant and you will have common problems as well. So pretty much over here, you should be able to identify plants around you and you should be able to understand more about them. There you go. See ya.